Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm so glad you are here. Today I have a quick video for you with new die cut sheets and cards I have created. So let's get started. I have two beautiful new die cut sheets for you today and a matching paper pack. And this one here is called Very Purple from the watercolor collection Yvonne Creations. This is a Find It die cut sheet, and those of you familiar with Find It, these die cut sheets are, die cut, of course, and then they have 3 embellishments on there and all the extra layers. So we have this everything in purple here, the roses and the blackberries. Look how gorgeous this artwork is. And then all the additional layers. And there is a second one with this beautiful flower bouquet here. And another one over here with what looks like blueberries. And then down here also, or maybe a black currant. And then all these blue and pink and purple flowers. So pretty. And then there is a matching paper pack. And we're going to do a very quick flip through here. These are 6 by 6 papers. And let's see. So in the back, you just have other items from this collection. And then here we have this. So these are double-sided papers. And they have this white strip here that you can easily cut off. And now just let's go through them very quickly. So it looks like each sheet is in here 3 times. Ooh, look at these berries here. How pretty. So both sides look really nice. The back and also, I don't know which one is the back, which one is the front. Doesn't matter. You decide. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous paper here. Even has some blue in here. This would make beautiful sky. Yeah, watercolor, of course. Muted roses in the background. Very, very pretty. Now, the paper arrived after the die cut sheet, so I have not used this paper yet. I certainly will, because this is also, it feels so good. It's really nice, high quality paper. Not cardstock, but not flimsy, lightweight paper either. So right in between. Very, very nice. So here we have it, and there it says it. It is 170 grams. 22 sheets, double-sided. There are 6 by 6 and the matching die cut sheets. Now let's check the cards I made. Okay, and here is my first card. For this card I used a purple card blank. I added a white layer in here for the sentiment and a piece of designer paper that matches my colors in the topper. This topper is very old, and I had it in my stash, so now I finally used it. Not quite sure where this came from. Anyway, it's most likely no longer available. But anyway, you can use any background just to offset your busy background paper if you use busy paper. I added a little bit of bling, and then here is this gorgeous bouquet of all the purple flowers and berries. Look, I used all the layers, so it's quite dimensional. This little butterfly I have now used quite a bit, and it comes from these beautiful silver and gold butterfly sticker sheets that I will link below. I have in my shop. So this is my first card. And there is a second card. And here it is. Again, I have used one of the beautiful, this one right here, one of the beautiful flower embellishments with the background paper from my stash. This is a pink card blank, again with a white writing layer. So yeah, I didn't have the papers. Of course, the papers would have worked perfectly. They're going together, but they came in after I created my cards, so it doesn't matter. I can use them later, and they are available right now. But this bling is new too, and look how pretty it is, and it comes from the Pink Fresh, and I know it's not, it doesn't really show it very well here, but these are very, very blingy, and it's got this green and purple bling on it. The camera doesn't pick it up very well, but this is what I used here on my card for bling, and then another butterfly. Okay, and then I have one more card, and here it is. And for this card, I used a green or lime green card blank, again with a white writing layer, and then added some background paper, two background papers, well actually one background paper, I'm sorry. I added one background paper, and these are just two strips of scraps that I had laying around, and it added just another layer. And then I had these tags from Michaels. Few years ago they sold these tags. You can create your own tags, or if you have any, but I think it just makes it look pretty sitting on either a doily or a tag. And we have this beautiful embellishment here, just because is a stamp, and then actually just because comes off is not a stamp. Let me show you. It comes from these sentiment sheets that I have now in my shop, and I think they are very versatile. There are 4 sheets in one bag, and they come in let's see, these I had already used, but yeah, they come in black, white print on black paper and black on white, and it's here, there it is, just because. And these are they're not stickers or anything, they're just beautiful printed sheets, and this is a really high-end paper, and you can cut them with your paper cutter into strips, and then you have sentiments galore. And here is the one, that just because, that I added to mine. This little birdie unfortunately is no longer available, but I have found something similar also from Little Birdie, and these just came in, and I have them available now in my shop. And look how cute they are. I know I introduced them last week, and size-wise they are about the same size. They also look in both directions, and you have on top of it these glittery birdhouses. Very, very cute. And then there's a second one that also has birdies a little bit bigger with flower pots, but look how adorable they are, and the glitter is already on there. So both of these sticker sheets are currently available in my shop, and I think they look so cute on spring cards. And then again, a little bit of bling, and a heart border at the bottom and on the top. And I love these borders. These are available in silver and in gold, and they come in both directions. You have them horizontally and vertically. So here, of course, we have the one horizontally, and look how small they are. So they do a very nice job in finishing your card. Okay, I only have these 3 cards for you today. My birthday and my wedding anniversary always fall into the same week, so I didn't have a lot of time for crafting, but I hope next week I have a few more cards for you. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I would appreciate that as well. Share this video with your crafty friends and family. And as always, my cards are up for grabs in value packs on my website, so check them out if you're interested. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.